It probably doesn't look like it, but this morning kicked my bum. I felt like I just wanted to be swaddled like a newborn baby, so I decided it's the perfect time for an everything shower. I'm going to start by brushing my teeth. I made this toothpaste with coconut oil, baking soda, peppermint oil, and xylitol sugar. One of the most relaxing sensations for me is being dry brushed. I notice it increases my body temperature and helps my entire body relax. I was feeling so sleepy after this routine, you guys. That is my telltale sign that I need a mental and physical reset. It's also around that time of the month, so I'm feeling especially fatigued right now. I used to let that feeling stop me from catering to my self-care, but I truly feel better mentally once I've tended to my body. I genuinely didn't want to stop brushing, you guys. It was so soothing. It was literally scratching the itch that I was having. Hopping into the shower, I'm washing my face and body with Dr. Bronner's Almond Castile soap. Almond oil is great for softening the skin. This soap smells so warm and fruity. Plus, the suds are extremely thick and moisturizing, as Dr. Bronner's soap is made with lots of organic oils. Look at this lather. I wash with an exfoliating cloth, but I will be exfoliating and moisturizing once more with my homemade honey and neem sugar scrub. I put a ton of oils and butter in here with a pinch of Castile soap to create a nice silky, foamy lather when I scrub. I have eczema, so I prefer my scrub to be less coarse and more softening. One thing that I love about using natural products is that almost everything that I use is edible, so technically I could eat this if I wanted to. Now I'm going to shave with my milky shave oil. Maybe it's because I have a dry skin type, but something I noticed about myself, I love a product that lathers. I feel much more protected when I have some gentle bubbles in between my skin and a razor. If you have dry or sensitive skin and you notice you tend to have irritation after shaving, try mixing a bit of soap with whatever you're shaving with to neutralize the tone of your shaving cream. I've shaved with liquid Castile soap for probably 3 or 4 years straight now. I can't tell you the last time I've even laid eyes on shaving cream. I don't think my sisters even use shaving cream, but I decided to make this milky oil for the winter time because I wanted to challenge myself to try something new and see what I could create, and I actually ended up loving this shave oil. It left my skin feeling buffed and polished after I shaved. Before I hop out, I'm spreading an even layer of shea butter all over my body, not including my face. Moving into skincare, I'm using Thayer's Lemongrass Witch Hazel with 2% salicylic acid. This helps fade hyperpigmentation and gently exfoliate and tone my skin. Next, I'm using my lavender oil spray. Lavender also helps calm the skin and fights wrinkles and scars. I'm moisturizing with organic jojoba oil, and I'm going to lock all of that in with an even layer of Aquaphor, making sure to work everything down to my neck as well before rubbing in the remains of my shea butter that I applied earlier. I'll be using the lemongrass witch hazel once more to prime my underarms for my deodorant. I'm also using this in between my thighs and cheeks to remove any remaining possibility for odor. And y'all, this is the key to staying fresh all day. Today I'm using my homemade deodorant. This contains coconut oil, shea butter, baking soda, cornstarch, peppermint and lavender essential oil, and witch hazel. I made this fresh this morning, so it hasn't yet had a chance to harden into its balmy texture, but it still feels and smells amazing. Once it's thickened, I'll be able to apply more. Now it's time to show my locks some TLC. I'm going to hydrate with my lavender spray. This is just unscented witch hazel and lavender essential oil. I focus this mainly on my scalp, wherever I usually get the most itchy, but every once in a while I'll spray the length of my hair to make sure she's nice and hydrated. Plus, she loves lavender essential oil. Something about my skin and hair, when I give it lavender, it thrives so much. I'm locking in the hydration with the Jamaican mango and lime island oil that I moved into my travel dropper bottle. This oil smells so good. I wish they had a body oil. I'm not completely sure that I can't use this on my body, but I don't want to risk it because my eczema, child, my eczema. I'm using a fragrance oil today. I got this off of TikTok shop and it smelled really good when it first arrived, but I've had it for a while now and it's lost some of its fragrance. It's coconut cream scented and it's made with oils plus some synthetic fragrances. You can use it in or out of the shower, but I notice it smells more potent when I use it outside of the shower. I'm rubbing this on my whole body, and that's just about all I'm doing for fragrance today because I'm just going to be chilling in the house. Now I'm going to enjoy my nice cup of chai that is probably cold by now. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, I'm Drop, and it only takes one drop to make a wave. I'll see y'all in the next video.